Hi, I'm Kathy, and I'm the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. I do hope it becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step art lessons. Today's drawing project is about how to draw an abstract self-portrait. This one is made from lots of closed spaces, and it's really fun to color in however you want. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is get your art supplies of drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. As always, there's a matching tutorial that you can also download from my website. Now, before you begin any drawing, it's really helpful to take a minute to create some guides on your paper. You just need to fold and crease your paper in half in both directions. You'll have lines that match my tutorial, which really help you see where to draw. Step number 1. The face begins with a very large U shape like this and is centered on the paper. I'm going to make a plan first with some dots and then go back and connect them with my pencil. If you draw one side and then the other, you might have a better chance of making them match each other. Step number 2. Add an ear on the right side about this big. Then the ear on the left side needs to be added too, and it should line up with the one on the right and of course be the same size. Step number 3. Add a simple neck below the head. Then draw the neckline of a shirt, which could be round or a V shape, and add some simple shoulder lines on the left and on the right. Step number 4. Now for the hairline. It could be a centered part with hair going behind the ears, or a side part that looks like this. I'm going to go with a big zigzag line to make some bangs that go across the forehead. Feel free to make those zigzags as large or as small as you want. The top of the hair is added next and could touch the top of the ears or go behind them. I'm going to go with this shape that touches the bottom of the ear, and then I can add a pigtail below it. Next, of course, the left side of the hair needs to be added. I'm going to draw the top shape first, then the round circle and a matching pigtail below. Step number 5, now we're moving on to the nose. This one is going to look like a very tall rectangle that is open on top. And it needs just 2 little C shapes on the side to make it look a little bit more like a nose. Step number 6. Here's the important part, drawing eyes that touch the nose and the side of the head. Start with a curve like this, and when you are done, draw a matching curve on the left side. Then draw the bottom curve of the eye on the right and on the left. Step number 7. To finish the right eye, add a large circle for the iris and a smaller one for the pupil inside. And then do the same thing for the left eye. Notice the circle touches the top curve, which makes your eyes have a little more of a relaxed look to them. And one more important touch for those eyes. Add another curve on top to look like the top of the eyelid. Step number 8. The mouth begins with a line that is halfway between the nose and the chin. And then lips are added with a line above and below. One last important touch, adding a center line above and below the mouth. This will make a closed space for the right and left side, so you can make them different colors. Step number 9. All right, this drawing is done, so it's time to trace all of those pencil lines with a good black marker. Mine has a kind of medium-sized tip to it, so it can easily cover up those pencil lines. And you may know that at this point, I always recommend erasing any extra pencil lines that might still be showing. It really only takes a moment, and it really makes your drawing look a lot neater. Now I have one last job for that black marker. It's really great to fill in the pupils in the eyes. It's easy to do and makes them look really black at the same time. And here's the part where you can kind of go crazy with the colors. I'm going to start with light green for the eyes, and I'd encourage you to also use colors you don't usually use for a face. That's also true for the color of the skin, so I think I'm going to switch to a dark green now. I'm going to use it inside the eye as well. Next, for the forehead, I'm going to go with a dark orange. That's also true for the color of the skin, so I think I'm going to switch to a dark green now. Then comes the eyelid and the left side of the face. This golden yellow is one of my favorite colors. You do have to press pretty hard to make it show up, but I think it's always worth it. The hair can, of course, be any crazy color. Let's see what a bright red looks like. I think I'll fill in the top this color and then make the pigtails something else. The more colors, the better, right? I haven't used any blue yet, so one eyelid could be that color, as well as maybe a pigtail and part of that mouth. Then maybe a purple ear, as well as a purple lip and pigtail. And maybe this eye too. I think I'll use it for the neck too. I really like it when colors are repeated at least a couple of times. The background does need to be different though, so it stands out. I think this yellow-green will look really great and kind of brighten things up too. It's always good to have a mix of light and dark colors so you have some variety. Okay, I do believe this abstract self-portrait is all finished. I really like drawing faces this way. The eyes are extra big, and then you have all those different options when it comes to coloring things in. I hope you enjoyed mixing things up too. You know, you can find more projects like this on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a Minecraft self-portrait and how to draw a goals self-portrait. Thanks for coming, and I hope to see you again here real soon.